voice. I got a cold, but I got a video for you. First, I want to show you something new. I got all these Electrolux parts. New Electrolux right here. And a few of you know this that watch my channel, that I got a rug doctor. Mighty Pro X3. It's going to be a little review slash how it works slash kind of how to use it. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you, like, what is my opinion on it. I love it. I like it. It's a great machine. Has good power to it. Has really good suctioning to it, and just all in all, a really, really good machine. What I like about it is that, first of all, something you complain about is but the adjustment handle. Like, you can fold it all the way down, and that you have 3 different options for your different carpet cleaning needs. I know I sound like a girl, sorry about it, guys. But here's your hoses and your solution lines right here. I love this X3. I just love it, love it, love it. Yeah, and yeah, I just gotta say, the only thing I don't like is that the cord, you can make it a bit longer right up here. They can make this cord a little bit longer, but who heck am I to say, I don't know, but yeah, but they can make that cord a bit longer. That's one complaint I have about it, but that's about it on this. And the way it works is going to be next. I'll show you how this sucker works. So basically, these two, up here, right in here, there's 2 needle nose jets. Yeah, these 2 needle nose jets. Right here, spray water onto your carpeting. And then, basically what happens is, this brush, which is not too stiff, but just stiff enough to get the dirt out of your carpet without, like damaging your carpeting or your delicate carpeting. This spins back and forth and agitates the carpet from all sides. And then next, got the extraction bar right here, which is the motor. Extraction part of the motor. That's basically how it worked. And another thing I like about the Rug Doctor is it's how on its hoses. This hose right here is a 12-foot extension hose. As you can see, it is much, much, much more longer than out of your average size hoses you get on these today. Only thing I don't like is this end. You gotta be really careful. These newer ends will really saturate if you don't do it right. I'll show you how to use these right in a minute. But first things first, for those of you that say rug doctors are heavy and they're clunky and they're stupid, number 1, carrying this downstairs, put water in it after, or carry a bucket of water separately, because it's just going to make it much, much easier to carry this. The best way to carry this is to lower your handle, which you just gotta hold your button. Back here, there's a gray handle, which this is on every machine. Now, some of you think you gotta grab from right there or in between here. No, that's not right. And then right here's another carry handle. So you gotta grab these 2 handles. And that's how you pick up the Rug Doctor. It's gonna make it a lot more easy to carry it up the stairs and stuff. Another easy step is just to use the wheels, which I'll show you as I'm taking this thing upstairs. But Another thing you guys have problems with is these rug doctors, you say saturate the carpeting. I'm going to do a few common sense things first, and then I'll show you why price saturates it. Make sure this is clean at all times. It's your dome filter. See how that's clear? That has to be clear in order to run correctly and suck up the water correctly. And this is the new X3, so if you're thinking of buying one, you always have to make sure that your tanks are in correctly also. I'll show you that in just a second. I promise it's easy. Put the dome filter back in. There. These tanks, sometimes you guys kind of put it like this and then you forget. Like, I don't know if you really do that, but you kind of set it up. You kind of like that. And you can see it's off a bit. What you gotta do is make sure you push it all the way over and snap this lid on up here. With the other rug doctors, you gotta make sure you have the wire return snapped on there correctly. What's here doing all that correctly, but you're still bitching and complaining because it leaves the carpet saturated. This hose back here always needs to be connected. Because if you forget to connect this, then it's just going to not suck up the water. And don't connect it like that, because that's half-ass. That, if you just put it like this, like just place it on there, you're going to get loss of suction. So you got to push down on it gently to get the hose all the way on there. And for the handle adjustments. Most of you people want to, like, move it from up here. Just the highest setting on the machine. And you want to use a machine like this. You want to lift it up and stuff. And then, but if you notice, when you have your hand all the way up here, watch what happens. I'm going to pull this back slowly. And I don't know if you can see that or not. But as you're working on this machine, you see you're getting actually loss of vacuum. That's another reason why these things leave it saturated. Because you guys think, oh, I just want it up high. Best position is right in the middle. Right about here. And don't hold it up like this. Don't be shaking and kind of go like that. Because make sure the vacuum's snug. Just make sure you have it snug. 2 hands. Push it a little bit forward if you had to. And then pull back. Another great position is right here. You don't have to have it all the way down here. Hit your crotch, but I'm just showing you that's another great position to have it at. So that's how you get, that's how you get good vacuum on it. The hand tool. You gotta make sure you're pressing fully on this thing. Like, literally, this would spray no matter what. But you gotta make sure you have your vacuum snug on the furniture, or snug on what you want to clean. Kind of like that. See? And another nice thing I gotta show you about the rug doctor is when you buy it, the hose comes with its own hand carrying bag. Hose carrying bag, I should say. That comes in handy because you just gotta wrap up the hose. This is basically all you gotta do. Just wrap up your hose and then just slide it in your sack. there, see? Now, best way to carry this rug doctor up the stairs. When you're carrying it down, you're going to have to carry it, but I'm going to show you going up the best way to do it. Don't ever do what I'm about to do. I'm just going to concentrate on your lower back. Don't ever grab these things with one hand. Gosh. Alright. Go. As you can see the stairs. Best way. You got these large wheels, so they couldn't damage the machine as long as you go slow. That's what these large casters are for. And that's how you carry the rug doctor. You know what, I'm trying to fucking camera.